Wow. Hey. Roy's Army in the house. Dan, what's up? Parker, what's up? Oh my gosh, this DOGELON. What? That's extremely unfortunate. Turbo, you've been trading these president coins? No. Heck no. PNG, please. What's up, my friend? What's up, Nick Traveler? Definitely need an update on Horizon. I'll take a look at that for you. Yeah, so I haven't been doing, PNG's at 26 cents? No way. It was supposed to hold 30 cents. That's unfortunate. Yeah, so if it's still holding 26 cents, then theoretically you're back in the same spot. You're still over the 382 between... Oh, shit. Okay, I'll take a look at it for you in a second. Let's take a look at Turbo. I mean, people are just coming in, and you guys are going strong with the updates. I want to show you guys DOGELON Mars because, man, it actually came back down like to 22. That's insane. But I'm happy because one of my sell targets got hit, so I'm not even mad. I actually profited from it a good amount. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because, look, like we literally said, you want to sell on the way up, and my 0.5 target at around 5 got hit for like 10 billion. So I'm super happy, and that's exactly why you put in sell targets. My next target was 75. It never got hit. It doesn't matter because now at this point we could just wait to refresh and get even more coins. Again, I'm telling you this because it's so frustrating, and definitely have your sell targets and have a plan. And that's always what I say in these videos, in every single one of my videos. You don't have to put in all your money at once and then sell at once. You can definitely take profits on the way up. But anyway, that's extremely unfortunate. We'll take a DOGELON Mars later, but let's start looking at... So Turbo was the first coin request. Let's take a look at Turbo. We can make videos on this too. So taking a look at Turbo on the live stream. So unfortunately, yeah, at this point, Turbo actually did come back down and test the 786. So as of right now, the 786 is very, very, very crucial support. If it breaks down, then you're no longer maintaining an uptrend and you're no longer making a higher low, okay? So it's unfortunate. We really didn't want it to come down to this and come down this far, this low, and actually touch that bottom. But again, it did, and that's unfortunate. What did that do to the RSI? Yeah, so the RSI is not even completely oversold yet, but I think that if we do get some sort of sell-off that does put us to 2056, then you are going to be oversold, which obviously is you can only get so much selling pressure, right? Now, we have support. The next area of resistance, obviously, for Turbo is going to be this box at around 76 and 89. So just keep in mind that with Turbo, it can come back up to these levels and still be bearish and still come back down. We do need to accumulate and consolidate over 2056. As long as that holds, and once we break this, then we're going to the moon, and we're still basically maintaining this giant uptrend. What you don't want to see is if this breaks down, then we're going to say, oh, we're going to do the same thing here, but on the next lower level, and say, hey, this area does need to hold as consolidation, and then it'll be just one giant consolidation, and obviously you'll have to break out of resistance, and basically the same thing all over again. So I hope that made sense. None of this is financial advice. It's just my opinion. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, let's see. You've been trading these present. Oh no, I read that. No, I definitely haven't, but I've heard of it. PNG. Let's take a look at PNG. Okay, 26 cents. How low did it go? 25. It's crazy. We just looked at this. So with PNG, is there a bigger graph? Yeah, no, there isn't. Okay, so with PNG, we are still over the 382 at 11 cents. So at the end of the day, it's still macro bullish. Actually, I should make a video on this, right? Taking a look at PNG on the live stream. So on the macro time frame, it is still bullish because we are still over the macro 382 at 11 cents. It looks like even last time we smacked against the 618 at 48 cents, got rejected, but we did find some sort of floor here near the 0.5, near 23 cents. Now, it was a while where we consolidated between 20 and 29 cents, and then we eventually broke out, but we still got rejected at the 618 again. So very simple as of right now. Around 24 cents is support, and keep in mind that does coincide with the 0.5 from low to the high. And again, unfortunately, we do have to keep our eyes on this box, which we've previously actually consolidated in and over. So 17 to 24 cents are the next targets. As long as it can hold this area, then again, once we do churn bullish, once PNG does churn bullish, we should get a nice retest of 49 cents. And then once that breaks, you're looking at $1.38. That's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I should probably leave that up because I think a whole bunch of people are going to come asking for it. What's up, Matthew Dropco? You excited for the DOGELON Mars giveaway next week? Definitely need an update on Horizon. What happened with Horizon? It's still over $20. So whoever picked up at $20 is solid. But yeah, we're still over 20. I'll still take a look at it. Let me just read the chat. MOG coin. I'll take a look at MOG. And then, dude, I saw Trump at $7. Yeah, but like, do you even know where to buy it? What's up, Payne South? Turbo sell target? Yeah, so I don't know. You're gonna have to decide that on your own. Is this gonna go back up to its all-time high? If we break this area of resistance, then yes, and then from there you're looking at up to 2 cents. I can't tell you when to sell. Nicholas, what's up, man? XCD, XCC, XRP, XLM, SwiftCoin is still under a cent, done before it's too late on Coinbase. Yeah, Parker, I got you. I'm just like typing in all these coins that I need to look at. And this guy sent like 4 different coins. So XCN, which we actually just made a video on. XDC, XRP, and XLM, and SwiftCoin. All right, yes, I got a account and everything. Did you end up buying at $7? Because that's the only time that you would actually make money, right? Because what is it at right now? Official Trump is $32, so technically you'd still be up 4 to 5x, so that's not bad. Taking a look at Horizon on the live stream. So actually, Horizon is holding up very well, relatively speaking, and from what we've actually looked at, Horizon's looking pretty solid. Like I said, in the selling, there's only so much selling pressure, right? So we're over $20. So as of right now, $20 is a key level, and it is still macro bullish as long as it stays over $20. We actually came down and snagged it, and then we got a nice recovery. So whoever bought that dip, congratulations. The same thing that I say about selling on the way up and using these targets, you should be theoretically using these as areas of support too and putting in your buy orders. Not financial advice, just my opinion, but that's what I do with the coins that I've been in and I'm in. Anyway, so as of right now, as long as $20 stands, you're looking at retesting 30, 45, 80, and then previous all-time highs. We'll keep it monitored that way. If it does go to its previous all-time high, clearly we're looking at up to $1,400. But we'll just monitor it and see how high it's going to go and take it step at a time. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Yes, I'm excited. I totally didn't expect Elon to do that so soon. Yeah, dude, same here. That is crazy. What? Like, really? Bro. Like, how is this? Like, this is bad. Like, this graph right here is not good at all. Like, how is that gonna like, how is it gonna go 6x and then like give it all back? It's just crazy to me. Eric for 2 carrots. I'll take a look at it. Thank you so much for the 2 beans. I really appreciate that. Taking a look at carrots on the live stream. So let's take a look at it. So it's actually not looking good right now. It does look like it is actually at its previous low. So our best bet is for some sort of floor to establish. So theoretically, if this is the floor, you really want consolidation over this line at around 25 cents. If that doesn't happen, then you are going to come back and make lower lows, and we're just going to be stuck in a downtrend. However, if you do consolidate over 25 cents, the next area of resistance is going to put you at 36 to 46 cents, meaning that it can come all the way back up here and still be bearish. Okay, so I know that's a really big move up, especially from the current price. It's around 91%, but it can still come up and still be bearish. Bearish under 36 cents, bullish over 46 cents. And again, 25 cents needs to hold, and you need to consolidate over this level to establish some sort of floor. And then in terms of, I guess, the next level of support, I don't even know. Let's see. Yeah, the next area of support you can see is going to be 12 cents. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for the 2. I really appreciate it. I don't mean to bug you with Horizon, but I just love this coin and love to get updates from you. Yeah, no, you could always ask for it. I mean, people are even here asking for like 7, 8 different coins. So hold on, it got really hot. Let me turn off my heater. Yeah, no, it's never a bug. And also like that's what I'm doing. Like, that's how I make my money, right? I make content and I upload it for people to watch. So you guys in here giving me this material to like upload, I'm grateful for. Obviously, you have some sort of value, in what I have to say in my analysis, and in return I get ad revenue and I get to post more content. So it's never a bug. Feel free to always come, and whenever you need an update, just let me know. But again, with Horizon, nothing has really changed, right? We're over the macro 382. It's very bullish. This is a blue chip coin, so it's not like, you textbook consolidation. You actually held the previous floor, so this is very good, and now we're turning bullish again. So it is what it is. It's a good coin, so I don't mind looking at it too. I mean, if you're asking me to look at unicorn fart dust every single time, then maybe I'd be like, hey, you're bugging me, but definitely not Horizon. Been holding since Meowdy partner. Hey, that's pretty good. Meowdy partner. What's up, Mickey Mouse? Can you check based turbo once again, please? Based turbo? I'm assuming you mean turbo on base, right? So this one. Ooh. I mean, is it over the 786? It is. So technically with base turbo, you need to stay over 40s24. Huge gamble. You already know that, though. Nothing's bullish until we break 40s57 and 407, given that this is the floor. And then, again, I mean, this is so crazy, but back up to its all-time high. It's around a 600% pump, putting the market cap around $18 million. So it could go to another 10x from there. And again, given that this is the bottom, you're looking at 2 zeros 1 and then 2 zeros 97. So around 1 penny. So what is that? Yeah, that's around a 200x. So what is that? Like, That's 100x would be 30 million. Sorry, 10x would be 30 million, 300 million, so 600 million. So I think relatively speaking, it's going to put, like, if it actually goes up that high, it's going to put the market cap close to what the other turbos market cap is. So let's see. I have all these other coins that I need to do, but I will take a look. Let's read the chat. Peep Mog Coin. What do you mean Peep Mog Coin? Is that a coin, or are you just talking about Pop? Oh no, you're talking about like look at Mog Coin. Okay. Hey, can you shout out me and my girl Patty? Can you do gently used Honda Civic and Juno Milady? Yes. Hey, not the one. You are the one. Because your name is Brandon. So shout out to Brandon and Patty. Thank you so much for watching my live stream. I really appreciate it. I will take a look at your coins, but I have to look at all the other coins first. But I'll take a look at, let's see, gently used Honda and Juno. And what's the other one? Milady. Yeah, so hold on. Milady meme coin. Are you talking about ladies or are you talking about Milady? LCX. Dang, I have so many coins to look at. LCX. All right, let's look at used car. Yeah, so this is one of Flipcoin's coins. So yeah, right now we're still over this previous floor, so it's not scary yet. Like, you're not breaking it and just making lower lows. For used car, nothing's bullish until we break this. Nothing is, let me see. Nothing's bullish until we break this area of resistance. So you're looking at 2076 to around 1.5 cents. And the floor at 2026 does need to hold. So actually, let me make a video now that you said that. So taking a look at used car on the live stream. So we do need to establish some sort of floor, and this previous area and low cannot break, because if it does, then we're just going to be making lower lows, and it's going to seem like an endless pit. So 2026 does need to hold. And then on the upside, nothing's bullish until we break 2076. You're going to find resistance all the way up to the 382 at around 1.40 cents. Once that breaks, then we can say it's macro bullish again. But as long as we're under this area in this box, nothing's bullish with used car. That's pretty much it. Not financial advice. All right, let's take a look at MOG. Taking a look at MOG. Let's see. Let's see if it held. Yeah, so the next area of support for MOG is actually going to be the 786 at around, what is that, 5 zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 zeros, 15. That is the next area of support. And then in terms of the price goes, you have resistance at the 236382. However, if we break this area of resistance, given that it is the low right now at around 19 to 21, you're looking at retesting the previous high, and then all-time highs putting you at 507, which as of today is going to be around another 400% pump. That's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you in the next video. Juno. Ooh, this does not look good. Could you take a look at Arthera, please? Yeah, I have a lot of other coins, so give me 1 second. I gotta look at all these other coins. Taking a look at Juno on the live stream. So nothing's really exciting with this coin. It doesn't look that good, just in my opinion. It does look like we've established, hopefully, some sort of floor. So this previous area at 6 cents 20 needs to hold. You are going to get consolidation, and bearish under 32 cents, bullish over 91 cents. And you're going to find resistance in this entire range, price range at 32 to 91. Once 91 cents breaks, then we could scream, you know, Juno to the moon, and our targets, you know, if it takes us back to its all-time high, as of today, it's going to be at around a 500x. So that's really, really, really big. That is going to put the market cap around 5 billion. And this doesn't even have a market cap. So it doesn't look like it's verified, CMC verified in terms of circulation supply. So just be careful with this. Do your own research, not financial advice, just my opinion. And thank you. Going down the line, Milady meme coins. Taking a look at Milady meme coins, ladies. Hey, ladies. Let's see. What? I'm assuming it's. What? Oh man, I can't even find it. Ladies. Excuse me. Wow, I'm gonna spend like 50 minutes on this video trying to find ladies. Yeah, so I think this is it. I think this is the right coin. 7064, 7064. Yeah, so this is the right coin. So as of right now, I think we are. Yeah, so we have no more support. It does look like this is a crucial area of support. However, let's see. Yeah, so that does also coincide with the 786 from the low to the high. So for ladies, it needs to hold 7 zeros 43 to 7 zeros 47. So you can see we have a long ways to go. However, we are in this downtrend that's forming, which is not good. So we don't know how low it can go. So given that this is the floor though, and it's just going to consolidate over this previous low, nothing's bullish until we break 7 zeros 94 and 6 zeros 12. Meaning that it can also come back up to these levels and still be bearish. What you really want to see is consolidation, and eventually you're going to break out of this downtrend, and then we're going to start moving up. What you don't want to see is making lower lows and staying in this downtrend. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. Yeah, that was stressful. I couldn't even find ladies. All right, LCX. Taking a look at LCX for the gentleman who asked for it like 5 minutes ago. I hope you're still here. Oh, and taking a look at it on the live stream, right? So nothing has actually changed from our last video on LCX. So from the high to the low, you can see that we're actually over the 618. Very, very, very bullish. As of right now, you are looking at retesting 30 cents, previous all-time high, and then LCX up to $3.85. In terms of areas of support, we said that the 236382 needs to hold. We are over the 236. We are over the 382 right now. However, it does look like we broke below the 382. So if that breaks again, the next area of support is going to be around 18 cents. So that means that as long as this box holds, you really don't want to see 18 cents hit. But as long as it stays over 22 cents, then you're looking at 30 cents and 57 cents once you double top. And if it does go into price discovery, then you're looking at prices up to $3.72. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. All right, XCN's next. Taking a look at XCN on the live stream. Wow. So it actually had a nice recovery. So that's pretty good. So we said it needs to hold the 382.236, right? And it actually came down. Damn, it actually came down and tagged it. That's really good. So we said it needs to hold the 236.382 on the way down. So XCN, it does look like you are going to get some sort of continuation. Bullish over the 382, so you have a lot of support here. And as of right now, 2 cents 20 is in play, 5 cents 70, and then obviously 19 cents previous all-time highs. And that's pretty much it for XCN. Again, 2068 to 2094 does need to hold. Let's look at the RSI, see where it is. So yeah, I mean, the RSI is still in the green, so just be careful. Again, it's not, I never like buying in the green. I'm not saying don't buy and don't sell, whatever, do whatever you guys want to do. But if this is it for XCN, then this RSI is going to stay in the green for a while, like for maybe 3 months, and you're just going to be making higher highs across the board, okay? However, we are extremely overbought, so it's not uncommon to get some sort of correction and a breakdown, and that's going to reset the RSI. And if that happens, again, 2068 to 2094 does need to hold. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. Whew, just popping these videos out left and right. Yo meow, I wanted to know if, what? I wanted to know if maybe you can look into Horizon a bit more on your own and make an opinion video. I would just love to see what you think on it and the future prices for this bull run. Well, for me to do that, I have to like look at what it actually is trying to do, right? So what is it? Like, what is this coin? So what is Horizon? Horizon was launched in 2017. Horizon is an optimized for zero knowledge use case. The Horizon 2.0 network leverages full EVM compatibility and native integration with ZK Verify. See, I need to like research every single one of those words. Like, what's ZK Verify, right? A modular solution for proof verification, which can reduce costs by more than 90%. Horizon is first to build a specialized EVM optimized for ZK app development, bringing unprecedented efficiency, cost effectiveness to ZK applications. So it's proof of verification, so it's not proof of stake. So proof of verification would mean, what other coins are proof of verification? Solana, right? Is Solana proof of verification? Okay, I have to check that. I have to figure that out. Horizon is sorry. Yeah, so yeah, I can definitely look into it a little bit more and you know, do that, but no promises, you know. It's going to take a lot of time and a lot of research to kind of figure out what it is exactly that it's going to do. And I mostly specialize in like telling you guys, hey, you know, if Horizon comes down to $20, maybe you should buy, because that's an area of support, right? Or hey, like if you guys have been accumulating and if you've been with me here and we've been taking our same fib from the high to the low, then these are all targets that I would personally be setting my sell targets at on Coinbase, because I know this coin's on Coinbase. So theoretically, you would have been able to like sell, you know, 60%, 162%, 288%, and a 488%. So yeah, so that's usually like what I mostly do. But not sure if you make full content like that, but again, I'd love to see what you think of the coin. Me personally, I think we can hit $200 this year, and I think they have a great team. I definitely think it's a great coin to look into if you would like to. Yeah, I'll take a look at it. I mean, I like Horizon. I liked it back here. I liked it when we were talking about it, making videos on it before it went up. The problem is it's just a little bit too expensive for me. So for me, it's like, you know, $21, 300, like, yeah, I should have, like, if I had gotten it at like $5, that would have been perfect. But, or like $5-6, no, $6-7, sorry. Yeah, that would have been perfect. But it's also like saying, hey, I wish I would have got into Solana at $10 before now it's like $200. But yeah, I think it's a good coin. I'll take a look at it a little bit furthermore when I get a chance. But without further ado, we have other coins that we need to look at. So taking a look at XDC on the live stream. So I don't think anything has changed from our video. Yeah, so XDC is on his way to making all-time highs. So this is really what you want to see out of your coin. So XDC looks like it's at its 786. You're looking at 19 cents right now, and then up to 80 cents if it goes into price discovery mode. Let's see if this does coincide with any areas of support and resistance, which it does. Yeah, it does. So clearly that puts you in the box. We'll just say the 382 though. So you're looking at, as long as it stays over this box at around 11 cents to 12 cents, it is macro very bullish, because you are still over the 786 from the high to the low. So 19 cents would be in play. And then again, if it double tops and it goes into price discovery mode, you're looking at price discovery mode anywhere from, you know, 19 cents to 80 cents. That's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Thank you. Is the guy who, like, are the people that ask for these coins still here? XRP, XLM, and SwiftCoin? Oh, wow. SwiftCoin's going up. SwiftCoin, is it 2 cents? Because if it's 2 cents and then it's 8 cents, so, and then I have no idea. So you guys are on your own after 8 cents. I got in surprise at 15 and haven't yet. Definitely haven't sold yet. Definitely waiting for a few months. I wish I got around $6 too. Hindsight, but hindsight 2020. Yeah, I wish I got. And dude, that would be nice. Getting in there at like $5, $6, or $6, $7, because that's like the perfect structure too. This is this is like beautiful, right? So you got the pump, you got consolidation, and then you got like the pump, and then you got consolidation. And that's what I'm saying. If it actually because it made a higher high last time, right? So you're literally your target is out here at 1400. So let's see if I can pull the full graph. Yeah, so you're looking at, I guess we'll look at it on the weekly because yeah, 60. So that's like, yeah, exactly. So you're looking at 2017 bull run, 2021 bull run. You're making higher highs, so that it's like it's growing. You're making higher lows, so it's not a rug pull. It's not a rug pull. It has a very good structure. It looks very simple, right? It's like, oh, it's down here. It's time to buy. So like next bull run, for example, we could like if I was in last bull run, I would have taken my fib from this low and high, and I would have been like, oh, I'm buying at the 786. What do you know? We actually came and we literally hovered at the 786 while it consolidated. So for example, for next bull run, let's just say it makes a higher high, and let's just say it doesn't go that high. Let's just say it goes like here, okay? Just for whatever. You make that higher high, and then I'm gonna be like, hey, Parker, support is gonna be at, because coins go down 90%. That's just the nature of the game. But for example, for this coin, I would say, hey, next time it comes down to this box, let's buy, because you're not, because we know it's going to make a higher low, and this is probably going to be the cheapest point that it comes down to before it finally stops, consolidates, and then does the next thing up, right? Very predictable. It looks very predictable, but yeah, that's just what I think, and I hope that made sense. I hope, because that's really important. It's good to make money in the bull run, but it's also, you have to also like if you believe in the coin, like you're gonna buy back in, right? So theoretically that would be a good point, but I'm just showing you that as an example. So anyway, that's pretty much it. It seems like the history repeats itself, and the first pump this year was way bigger than last year. Yeah. In the first month, I'm saying, yeah, like January. Yeah, right here. So you can get something like this. You can get something like this again. Bam. That would be nice. All right, what other coins? Oh, we have to look at XRP. So XRP, XLM, SwiftCoin. I gotta look at XLM too, or SwiftCoin too. And DOGELON. Taking a look at XRP on the live stream. So very simple for XRP. I still put the target at $6.55. I don't know what that was. $6.55. We did actually come down and retest this previous high as support and got a nice bounce from it. I think that does also coincide with the 236382, which it does. So just keep in mind that as long as XRP stays over $1.61 to $2.03, you are looking at the continuation at 650. If it breaks below this area, then I'd say we're cooked, and we're probably going to get a bigger capitulation down. So now financial advice, just my opinion, and thank you. Taking a look at XLM on the live stream. So yeah, so nothing has actually changed from XLM. It still hasn't hit its all-time high, so it's not really performing as good as XRP. As of right now, you're looking at retesting 48 cents. Once that breaks, you're looking at retesting this high. followed by the previous all-time high. So you're going to get resistance at that area. And if we don't, then I still do put the target for XLM at $3.78 around this area. And just keep in mind, the 236382 is still an area of support that needs to hold. So as long as it's over this box, which clearly we did come down to and then got a nice recovery from it, then it is still, all the targets on the upside are still valid. If we break below 29 cents, then we're probably going to get a bigger move down and start a downtrend forming. So not financial advice, just my opinion, and thank you. Taking a look at SwiftCoin. Let's see what this is doing. I wish I had the full graph for SwiftCoin, but we don't. So SwiftCoin looks like it's getting a nice little bounce right now. Keep in mind that we did use, I guess we did use the 0.5 as support. So as of right now, 2057 is still an area of support. Keep in mind that since we did get a bounce and we are over this area of resistance, we are looking at the macro targets at this point. So as of right now, the previous wick at 1.5 cents is in play, followed by 2.5 cents and 6 cents 30. If we look at it a different way, obviously it's relatively close. You're looking at 2 cents, and then you're looking at 8 cents. So we can still use these targets too. That way, you know, you can range it and not so much pinpointed to one target. So again, as long as we're over 207 and 2082, you're looking at 1.5 cents, and then the next area of support is going to put you anywhere between 2 and 2.5 cents. If that breaks, you're looking at 6 cents 30 to around 8 cents. And that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Yeah, in 2022, went from 1815 consolidated. Yeah, think more eyes on horizon than ever. Hello, PNG looks so bad. I already looked at PNG, but we actually have the graph up still. So with PNG, we set that as long as it stays over 17 to 24 cents, you are looking at retesting 49 cents, and then you're looking at up to $1.38 being the next target. And then 517, and then from there to the moon. But yeah, it is, unfortunately, we did come back down, and we do have to now look at areas of support and key levels that need to hold, which is 17 to 24 cents. It looks like DOGELON is about to lose all the profit it gained yesterday. Yeah, dude, that is so sad. It already did, kind of. How sad is that? Yeah, that's pretty bad. It's not good. Yeah, I mean, it hit like a, you know, it hit a, you know, 330 million market cap, and then we literally just gave it all back. You know, you're looking at you're looking at, I mean, what we really want to see is just like a higher low at this point for DOGELON. Yeah, you excuse me. You really want to see a higher low establishing. What you don't want to see is like continuous bleed and something like this where we just get stuck in this downtrend. Kind of like what happened here. We went up and then we started like coming back down. We went up, and then like what we don't want to see is this. But that's unfortunate. Thank you. Have a nice day. You're welcome. I hope I looked at your coin. I think that's pretty much it. Oh my god. Can you guys see the cat? Oh, you can see the cat in the stream. Yeah, this is one of my cats. She's very nice. She's very sweet. She does not like being held, but she likes pets. And this is her toe. Proof of stake. I mean, yeah, I hope it goes up, man. I really do. And from the looks of it, it looks like it is. So we'll just have to wait and see and look at the targets. I guess I can make a DOGELON Mars video. Yeah, this is not good. Taking a look at DOGELON Mars. So, you know, a lot of people are probably going to be like, oh my gosh, like, DOGELON Mars is a scam, it's a pump and dump and all this stuff. But, like, you know, if you've been watching me, then you kind of know not to get excited for these, right? If you're holding, you're holding. If you're not, then you're not. And that's totally understandable. So, as of right now, there's some hopium, right? Actually, let me look. Crypto. Let's look at the full graph. So as of right now, there's some hopium because we are still over the 236, which means that we're not macro bearish. Okay. Keep in mind, as long as we stay over the around 21, 22 area, then you are looking at 6034 being the next target. Whoever had their sell targets yesterday at on Gemini, congratulations, because you literally you know, you hit the 0.5, and that's a lot of money, right? Like, to be sleeping and then waking up to like one of your sell targets getting hit at 142% is huge. So congratulations whoever did that. We always talk about taking profits on the way up, and never so much like extremes, like putting all your money in at once and then selling all at once. Okay, because if you did that, then who knows, that one time might be the time the DOGELON goes up, right? But if you sell on the way up, then you could secure some profits, and then if it comes back down, for example, then you'd be able to buy more coins or buy the same coins and pocket the rest, right? So anyway, that's pretty much it. And another update on DOGELON Mars. So I am doing the 1 billion DOGELON Mars giveaway to one of my members. Next Saturday, I'll be live streaming, and we'll go ahead and spin the wheel, and I'll pick 2 winners just in case the first one doesn't reach out within a reasonable amount of time. Like, I want to say like a day or two, and then we can proceed with giving, you know, sending the 1 billion DOGELON Mars to the lucky winner. They don't have to hold it. They can sell it. They can keep it. They can do whatever they want with it. That's just an appreciation of and a thank you for basically supporting my channel. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. Thank you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Yeah, that's pretty bad for DOGELON Mars. Oh, I've been holding it for 4 years now, but I'm about to just sell and take the loss. Dang. Well, if you were to, if you were to do that, you should have just sold when it was up here. You know, but I mean, you did have like maybe like an hour to sell, but I don't know. It's up to you. You got to do what's best for you. I can't tell you to sell or buy, but if you've been holding for 4 years, I mean, again, it did attract a lot more people. It did kind of bring up the fact that DOGELON Mars isn't dead. So maybe wait. I don't know. It's up to you though. I can't tell you any financial advice, but I feel you, man. I think the first time I bought DOGELON Mars was in 2022, and I bought it here. 1,000. It's on my Gemini. $1,000 got me 2.2 billion coins, which is crazy because now 1,000 gets you like 3 times that or whatever. So, yeah. But yeah, I know I get the frustration, especially when the coin goes up. You're like, this is it. It's supposed to go up, and you know it doesn't. Did it do it last time though? Like, yeah. So it kind of does look like this, where it was a fake out, right? So it went up and then it came all the way back down, and then we got the massive move. So, you know, there's some hopium, right? We went up, we might come all the way back down, and then get something like this, and then we're gonna just start getting up on it here. So that also might be in play. So just FYI. James Freeland, Arden Marshall. What does that mean? Is that a coin? Oh, it is a coin. Yeah, I didn't go all in though. I bought $1,000 at 2.2 billion, whatever it was. And then I started buying on the way down. And then I really started buying at around the 9, like my average is 6 zeros 21 right now, 219, which is crazy because it's actually back down to like my average. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. On Marshall. Whoa, what is this? That's not good. I mean, this looks like a gamble. You probably already know that. Let's see. 6 cents. I mean, it's not crazy. It's not like so you had your sell off, and then now you're consolidating. So yeah, I mean, it's not that bad. It is a gamble, but it's not too bad. So nothing's bullish until we break 10 cents, and then bullish over 23 cents. So sorry, excuse me, bearish under 10 cents, bullish over 23 cents, and then I mean, how high it's gonna go, we have no idea. Back up to its previous high, it's around 84x. So 84x is going to put the market cap around 320 million. So has it ever been 320? No, it's never been 320 million, which means that they have been releasing coins. Clearly, you can see they've been releasing coins because the market cap has been going up, but the price has actually been consolidating sideways. So good luck with this. I wish you the best. Also, not to scare you with them releasing coins, because, I mean, in your defense, it is a low market cap, and there's only so much more that can be diluted. So the fully diluted is not that far off from the market cap, so it's not too crazy. It's not like this is 4 million, and then this is like 100 million. It's not like this coin, and I know this coin because some people ask for it, and I'm like, you guys got to be careful for this coin, because look at the graph, and then look at the market cap. They've been releasing coins, and this I do worry about, because look, the market cap is 30 million, but the fully diluted market cap is 186 million. So that's literally like 5 times less. So yeah, it's not too crazy. It's not that bad. It is a gamble. And it is an 84x back up to its all-time high. So dude, that Aventus token looks juicy. I'll take a look at that for you. I need to make an Aventus update anyway. Yeah, it's actually looking pretty good. Taking a look at Aventus on the live stream. So far so good with Aventus, actually. Yeah. I think it's still over like. So our support was at the 786, which we clearly stayed over at $1.20. We did get a nice little bounce. From the high to the low, it looks like we are actually over the 236, so we're no longer macro bearish. It does need to stay over 227 as long as that happens. Bullish over 326, and once 326 breaks, I do put the next area at the previous top. And keep in mind, you're maintaining this giant uptrend that's forming. And then once 14 breaks, you're looking at price discovery up to $68. And again, Aventus is a very small market cap. That is only a 30x from here. And I mean, a 30x from here is going to put the market cap still under $400 million. So the market cap, the most it's ever been was 40. So it's a 10x on that. So again, it's not unreasonable and too crazy to speculate that. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Damn, DOGELON Mars, man. If you ain't got no DOGELON Mars, get you some. Damn, so many people are mad at DOGELON Mars right now. You know, it was like a really good feeling to wake up and look at my account and see it's up like 300, 400% at like 6 a.m. It was a very, very, very good feeling. I'm not going to lie. Slow night. I mean, Bitcoin's at like Bitcoin's at 101,000 and it's a slow night. That's pretty unfortunate. I guess we'll stay live for another, 9 minutes, make it an hour stream, and we'll upload all the videos and call it a night. But yeah, I mean, it's not looking too good. Yeah, that's brutal. Do you have any large cap picks that you could 2 to 3x before alt season starts? Nope. My coins are literally DOGELON Mars and OXT, which I actually should make a video on. Taking a look at OXT on the live stream, actually, I forgot that I have some OXT still. So let's make an update video on it. Not that a lot of people look at this coin anyway, but it is what it is. I think it's got potential. So we've been here for 5 years now. So from the high to the low, keep in mind, if we break below 9 cents 70, it is going to be macro bearish. And I'd say no bull run for OXT Orchid until we break 18 cents. When the 18 cents breaks, you're looking at little to no resistance, 22 cents, 31 cents, 52 cents, previous all-time high. And this is where I think OXT is headed, which is around $6, $7. Again, all of these targets are on the upside are valid once we break over and get over and stay over 15 cents, which is going to confirm macro bull run and for OXT to be macro bullish. Again, 15 cents. Keep in mind, if we do break down below 9 cents, that is very bearish, and we're probably going to come back down to the low. And let me show you the OXT BTC pairing. This is not good. What this means is that OXT is losing value relative to Bitcoin. So again, we do need to eventually see some sort of floor, and then a breakout, or even a consolidation that keeps us the same level with Bitcoin, with Bitcoin's growth. You don't want to see a continuous falling endless pit like we have been in with OXT. The good thing with OXT is that it is now fully diluted. They do burn coins, which they haven't in the last 5 years that I've had it. So just keep in mind, they do have the potential of burning coins. They're coming out with StoreKit, decentralized storage. They are DPIN. They have a working VPN. So again, it is kind of a gamble, but I still believe in it, and that's pretty much it. Now, financial advice, just my opinion, and hopefully we'll see you guys at $1. Yeah, this coin, and then DOGELON Mars, obviously. I don't have no big blue chip stock market cap coins. I'm trying to become a millionaire. I'm not trying to I don't have that much capital to 2 to 3x. Cat, thanks for all that you do, meow. Can you look at Messier? M87? Yeah, I'll take a look at this for you. What is this? Oh, this is, I mean, it did good. Demon, meow, what's up, man? You better be here next Saturday for the giveaway, because I'm spinning the wheel and all the members are going to be in the wheel. Meow, do you think we might start going up after today? Dude, I hope so. I mean, DOGELON Mars started going up, but it gave it all back, basically, so that's not good. That's not good at all. I'm hoping so. I'm hoping literally the next 3 months, and then I'm out, and then we're done. But we'll see. Taking a look at Messier, M87. Never heard of this coin before. Is this 4065? Yeah, this is the right coin. Yeah, I guess this is the right coin. No. Yeah, we're gonna have to use this graph. So very simple for Messier. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna kind of use macro targets at this point. Yeah, so the 1618 got tagged. So let's just say 201 is next. Yeah, so for Messier, again, what's the market cap? 57 million. Okay. So you have a target up here at 201, which at the current price is around another 15x. So you're looking at 750 million market cap. That would be a 7.5 times the previous market cap that it's ever hit, the highest it's ever hit right here. So as long as it stays over 402 to 4044, as long as it stays over this box, I know that's a really big box, that target is still valid. But if this box breaks, then we're cooked, and I would say that this was the top. And that's pretty much it. No financial advice, just my opinion. As long as it stays over the box, again, 201 is in play. So very simple. I just can't believe DOGELON Mars is like all the way back down to the lows. We were flying high. Yeah, guys, it's really important to put in your sell orders and sell when it goes up, especially like, you know, almost 300%. So it's very important. What you really want to see is just another giant green candle. That's what you really want to see. Let's see. Yeah, so I guess with that being said, yeah, I mean, the chat's pretty much dead. Not much going on. I've been live for about an hour now, so we'll take a couple coin requests, like 1 or 2 more coin requests. No more super chats, no more requests after that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Slow night, but we'll see. Maybe I should make an update on official Trump. Oh, wow. It's dumping. $31. That's pretty bad. What was the official Melania? Official Melania. Ouch. Ouch. What's up, Nicholas? What's up, Meow? Sorry I've missed you. It was good to see your coin pump yesterday. Yeah, I know, but it gave it all back. It gave it all back, but luckily I sold. I had sell targets, so I'm pretty happy because now I could just buy back in. I'm wondering if you can look at CrapCoin. CrapCoin Trump I FOMO'd into. Look at the CrapCoin Trump. You mean like the official Trump? I'm assuming you mean this one, right? This one? Update on Curve. Yeah, I could take a look at Curve. You mean like the Curve DAO? I'm assuming you mean Curve DAO, but let me know. Like, just let me know. And then official Trump coin. Yeah. Okay. So. Yeah. I mean, $30. If it breaks below $30, then not financial advice, but I think like that's really bad if it breaks below 30 bucks. Yeah. So let's take a look at official Trump. Taking a look at official Trump on the live stream. So unfortunately, I think we did break below support. Oh no, we didn't. So we're sitting on support right now. So again, here's a little bit of hopium. We are technically making a higher low. So technically you can argue that you're maintaining an uptrend. From the high to the low, I'd say resistance at $38 to $43. However, once that does break, then you are looking at retesting the previous high. And then you're looking at price discovery up to around $129 around this area. So again, very crucial area though, because if this breaks, if $31 breaks, then you're just going to be maintaining this downtrend, and the next target is going to put you somewhere between $10 and $17. So very big dip. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and that's pretty much it. I bought in at $33. So yeah, I mean, you bought in literally like at the low, given that it does make a higher low. So you minimize the risk. So you're sounding like you bought it at the top. So right now you're banking that it makes a higher low. It continues and it takes you anywhere between $37 and $43. You really want $43 to break, but in case you see it stuck there, then not financial advice, but maybe sell for some profit, because we can come back up to the $43 and it could still be bearish. We can get rejected and come back down. So again, you're playing it risky, but you did buy at the best time possible because, again, you're making a higher low, and clearly we have support here at around $31. So taking a look at Curved DAO token. Yeah, so nothing has actually changed. Curved DAO is holding up very well. It's over its 382, which means that it's macro or bullish. As long as it stays over 73 cents, you are looking at $1.12, $1.67, little to no resistance at 311, and then previous highs at around $7. So once that breaks, then price discovery, we'll take it from there. But again, as long as it's over 73 cents, $1.12 is next, retesting $1.12, and then $1.67, followed by 311, and then 698. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Demon says, can't believe we are still going down even after Trumpies were saying the 47 president will start the full run. Yeah, I mean, everyone, a lot of people were saying that, especially in like Vision's chat. Like, oh, and it's funny because he even was like that. It doesn't matter who's in office, right? It doesn't matter who's there. Like, it's gonna happen anyway. And he shows all his data to back it up, but. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I'm getting cooked right now, so it is what it is. I am happy I took profits on the DOGELON Mars move, though. So I definitely am happy because now I get to basically buy back with that amount. So I haven't even had a chance to buy back though. But yeah, clearly. We broke 4.49. So this box needed to hold, and we like literally couldn't hold it for not even a day. It just went straight down. It smacked straight back down. It is holding the 786, so technically you're still making that higher low. But if 23 breaks, then we're cooked. We're coming back down to 17. I'm thinking of selling my Pepe and use that money on their coins. What coins? Like the Trump coins? The Trump and Melania? Well, if you're going to do it, then I would probably do it now because Melania is like at its like lowest, right? Yeah, like Melania is literally at its lowest at 350. Not financial advice, just my opinion, but yeah, I mean, it looks like it's flooring right now. So I don't mean to FOMO. I don't mean for you to FOMO in, but if this is officially a Melania's coin, then it's not a bad play. CRV, HBAR have been great, hoping they still have some more room to grow. Yeah, I think HBAR definitely is going to the moon. HBAR is a good coin. CKB and CASPA still worth it. CKB, what is that, Nervous Network? Oh yeah, it is. This is Flipcoin's coin, so I guess I could take a look at it. Taking a look at CKP Nervous Network on the live stream. And because maybe Flipcoins can watch this afterwards. So unfortunately, we are breaking down. From the high to the low, we are still over the 382. So as long as it's over 2066, then it is still macro bullish. Keep in mind that, yeah, that does coincide also with the 618. So very crucial area, key area of support that needs to hold. And then in terms of support, short term goes, the next area of support for CKB is around 2079. And then if this is the floor, you are looking at resistance at 1 cent 20 to 1 cent 50. And then once that breaks, I do put CKB back up to its previous high. And then you're looking at the macro 1618. So you're looking at price discovery once the previous high breaks up to 30 cents. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and that's pretty much it. Thank you. CKB, I mean, it doesn't look too bad. It's still macro bullish, so it could go all the way back down to 2066, and then you could just get a moonshot that's going to take you straight to 30 cents. So you have to decide at what point you want to buy. I'm thinking, like official Baron, what? But is that actually true? I don't see official Baron. What a gamble coin. Yeah, I don't see an 11-cent one. No. This thing looks like it's blowing up though. Anyway, we've been live for over an hour now, so I think I'm going to call it a live stream. Let me know how much more money I'm going to lose in this. Oh, Shadow Token. That's right. You want me to take a look at Shadow Token. All right, Shadow Token's my last coin, and then I will... I can't find it. Oh, this one. Well, no, the price is $1.26 though. Hold on. It's too new probably. I can't find it. Yeah, let's take a look at Shadow Token, and then I'm going to call it. Taking a look at Shadow Token on the live stream, so let's take a look at it. Oh, I was looking at too many poop coins. Shadow Token. Yeah, so unfortunately, the only other area of support for Shadow Token is going to be the 786, which unfortunately we actually broke below. We said 35 cents needs to hold, and it's at 35 cents. So given that it doesn't hold, we do need to establish some sort of floor and consolidation that gives you a range. It does need to stay 23 cents. Otherwise, we're going to make a lower low, and you're going to be stuck in this horrible downtrend. So again, very key level of support is holding right now at 35 cents. So if we get some sort of recovery that pushes us over 35 cents. The next level, the next target should be 40 cents, and bullish over 55 cents. It just means that we can also come back up to 55 cents and still be bearish. Okay, so just keep that in mind too. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Indian Kitchen in the house. Hey, Indian Kitchen, get ready for the giveaway next Saturday. I'm giving away 1 billion DOGELON MARS coins. What you're a member, so it's however many months you've been members. I think you're like my 4th member, like the 4th or 5th longest member. So you're gonna have I don't know, 5 entries or whatever. But I'm gonna put your guys' names on a wheel, and the winner on next Saturday's live, or I guess this Saturday. Wow, I can't even believe it's Monday. Yeah, so this Saturday, there's gonna be one winner, and I'm gonna send them 1 billion DOGELON MARS coins as a thank you for being and supporting me by membership. So, yeah. I'm good. Just hanging in there. You know, DOGELON MARS did very good, but then it gave it all back, which makes 0 sense. But it is what it is. Like, maybe we'll get some sort of recovery, but maybe not. Who knows? In my opinion, we get a mild BTC and market pullback. I think we pull back now. I'm gambling. We have an alt season start. Yeah, me too. I think our alt season starts in February, March. Of course, I know nothing. Who knows what the future holds? That's true too. I'm going all in though, so I'm banking on an alt season soon. Yeah, I am too. Have a good night, Kat. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. And you know, Indian Kitchen, welcome to the end of the live stream. I am gonna end the live stream. I am going to be going live on Thursday, and then I will be going live on Saturday, and that's when the giveaway is. So I'll be doing the giveaway live on Saturday morning. So with that being said, no more super chats, no more coin requests. I appreciate everyone for coming by, and I appreciate all of the subs, all of the members, and all of the super chats. Thank you so much. Have a great night. And just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and this is all just for entertainment purposes. Have a great night. I'll catch you guys in the next live stream.